Oh, didn't see you there. Well, I know I haven't did a review in a while, but right now I'm going to get off Legos and lighting and all that stuff. I'm just going to go to one of my favorite things, Doctor Who. Right here is my bookends. They're not bookends, I'm just saying an example. That 2 are bookends, 3 is a collection, anything above is a big collection. And these are my 3-inch figures of the Daleks. Daleks are the oldest Doctor Who villains from 1963. They were in the 5th/2nd episode of Doctor Who, because back then they split episodes into different episodes. So the first one, which was Unearthly Child, was actually 4 episodes, including the Firemakers, Unearthly Child, and a few others. Well, 2 more. And then the Daleks, which were a few episodes, and they were originally in a war between another creature on their planet, Skaro, called the Thals. And the Thals they mutated the Daleks, and then a man named Davros, the leading scientist, made them into these, the Daleks. The plunger is so they can control, the whisk is a gun, and the eye stalk is an eye stalk. Right in front of you, on the left, the way you're viewing, is the Supreme Dalek from one of the early Doctor Who episodes. I don't remember which one, but I think it's from the 4th or the 5th, because, well, look at it. And then we have on the right the Asylum Dalek from Doctor Who season 7A. They're different. Asylum of the Daleks. This is just a normal average day Dalek, but rusted up, corroded, lights dimming out, exterminate. Whoa, calm it down. Calm it down. And, well, first, I'm going to do the one that early Doctor Who fans will like the most. The Supreme Dalek. Now, back then, they just took the Daleks and repainted them. I mean, the originals are gray, black, blue, those basic colors. And back then, instead of just having a purple or a blue eye stalk, they had an actual pupil. It wasn't the real pupil because the Dalek mutant is inside. But this particular one, it's exactly the same with white lights, gold paint, gold grid, black mesh, silver arm for the plunger, gold gun, black balls, and black base. Now the balls are actually sensory balls because they can sense anything without having ears. Well, some people say these are ears, but they are not. They're actually just lights, so when they talk, so you can know which one's talking. So, Emperor on the bridge. But on to articulation. I'm going to say a 90 to 91 degree for the eye stalk. Acute angle for both arms. That can also go 360. Same thing for the gun. On the bottom, these 2 wheels don't do anything. They're just for rolling. This one is a little stiff, but it's how you control it. There's the mumbo jumbo for the bottom. And yeah, that's the Supreme Dalek. Moving on to the second one, which more modern Doctor Who fans will like, because in the original 2005 episode, Dalek, this is the kind they used. Because Daleks are always changing. I mean, one point in the 80s, there was a version of the Daleks that was made out of dead humans. Yeah, creepy. You thought the Cybermen were creepy? Well, look at these. The eye stalk moved from being a pupil to just a plain color. More modern look. But this is the Asylum one. It's all dirty. I don't know if you can see, but if you have the actual model from Character Toys, you can see it's all dirty, marks going everywhere. You might be able to see the white / corrosion. This little red thing right here is the asylum logo, which is where they put all the mad Daleks. Right here is just a dirty light. It's dirtied up all over, even the gun and the plunger. Chrome balls with a bronze body, blue eye stalk, corroded everywhere else. But I think I've noticed something. The invasion Daleks from original Doctor Who had that big base, but bring up an original Dalek, it's shorter, and look how wide it is apart. In real life, that'd be half a centimeter. Real life, that would be about 2 centimeters. I'm using the metric system / because in America we use centimeters / well, the American way, because a lot of other countries switched. Now you can see that the bodies have changed a bit over fandom. I mean, look, this is 1 inch tall. That is a few centimeters tall. But not much has changed, but the grills went out. Eyes are bigger. There's more detail. There's more metal to the domes. As you can see, if you look on the asylum Dalek, right in between the gun and the plunger, there's that big square. That's on all of the Daleks like this. If you look at the other one, it's just normal mesh. This is the Kid with Knowledge. And hope you have a good time. And Aussie!